In this video, I am going to show you my shopping. So watch and listen. The first thing that I have to show you is porridge. Porridge is the most popular, the number one thing to eat for breakfast in Scotland. I like to eat my porridge with a little bit of milk and a banana. And sometimes I also like to add just a little bit of peanut butter. This tastes really good. During the week, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I like to eat porridge for my breakfast. But at the weekend, so Saturday and Sunday, I prefer to eat eggs. These are free range eggs. This means that the chickens that lay these eggs live outside. And with my eggs, I always have a cup of tea. These are tea bags. And in my cup of tea, I pour a little bit of milk. For lunch, so after breakfast, I and many people in the UK like to eat sandwiches. To make a sandwich, you need bread. This is a baguette. Butter to spread onto the bread. And I like cheese, which is dairy, like milk. Tomatoes, I cut them in half and put them on the sandwich, along with cucumber, some salad leaves, some lettuce, and sometimes ham or another type of meat. If I do not feel like eating bread, I normally have a salad with salad leaves and a dressing made of balsamic vinegar and olive oil. This is more healthy. Sometimes between lunch in the afternoon and dinner in the evening, I like to eat a small snack. For a snack, I eat nuts, sometimes an apple, crisps or chips in America, and if I want something sweet, iron brew, which is the Scottish fizzy drink, like Coca-Cola but bright orange. One of my favourite things to eat for dinner is mushroom risotto. To make mushroom risotto, I use two different types of mushrooms and risotto rice, which is like normal rice but thicker. Another thing that I eat for dinner is pasta, and I like my pasta with pesto, green pesto. I mentioned risotto rice. This is a huge bag of normal rice, which I use to make curries and other rice dishes. To make things taste better, I often add tomato ketchup or mayonnaise. These are both really important. After dinner, if I want something sweet for my dessert, I often have yogurt, Greek yogurt, with some chocolate through it. But if I don't want something sweet, if I want something savoury, I like oatcakes, Scottish oatcakes, with some cheese sliced and put on top. This is really tasty. And lastly, the most important part. In the evening, when I am watching the television, I like to drink a beer. I have two different types of beer. This is a can of lager, and this is a bottle of ale. So a can and a bottle. And that is everything that is in my shopping. Thank you for watching and listening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.